Alright, I'm on a mission to go find a cool place to fly my drone in Cambridge, and then we are going to see what kind of video we can put together. So, here we go. So I'm here at the fire tower. It's pretty neat. There's a business right underneath it though. I forgot about that. So we're gonna try and get good angles of it that don't involve this business, that maybe we can see there's a lot of pine trees next to it, so we can kind of do a reveal. Or I don't know, it's kind of a residential neighborhood too, and people get a little weirded out. So I'm gonna try and make sure that it's really just shots of this tower without anything else really involved in it. Thanks for coming along on this little tour of Cambridge. I look forward to doing a lot more of these videos, so if you guys have any suggestions for me, places in Minnesota you'd like to see some drone footage of, leave a comment below, and I'd really like to see what it is you guys can come up with.